purpose of security and safety, please note that Birmingham New Street Station operate 24-hour CCTV monitoring